past 7 years that the Jubilee administration has been in power, the Ministry of Health has been run by 4 cabinet secretaries, from James Macharia to Cleophas Mailu, Cecily Kariuki, and now Mutahi Kagwe. These 4 knows too well the corridors of Afya House. In his own admission, Health CS Mutahi Kagwe has come out in public, guns blazing, accusing cartels of frustrating his work. Simply, Afya House, christened Mafia House, is a house run by cartels who do not have even an inch of public shame, siphoning public money and milking public coffers dry. Is the MOH vulnerable to cartels, or are there too many loopholes to steal, or simply the people appointed to lead the ministry are naturally greedy? The most popular scandal is the infamous 5 billion shillings heist involved in diversion of funds, double payments for goods, and manipulation of the Integrated Financial Management Systems IFMIS. 889 million Kenya shillings meant for free maternity was diverted, as well as 515 million Kenya shillings meant for the AIDS control program. In another scandal, the Auditor General unmasked another heist where a company was paid 800 million shillings for the procurement of 100 portable clinics before they were installed, commissioned, and handed over. The clinics have been lying idle at the National Youth Service Yard in Mombasa, with hundreds of millions gone in thin air. The ministry was embroiled in yet another scandal where 7 billion Kenya shillings was lost in procurement of 37 CT scanners. They were procured at an inflated price of 227 million shillings each, while a single unit cost 40 to 45 million at that time. In 2017, the US government suspended aid of up to $21 million in direct aid to the Ministry of Health amid concerns over corruption and weak accounting procedures. In another scandal, this time in 2018, companies were contracted to supply medical equipment but ended up being awarded tenders to other works in counties at exorbitant prices without consultation with county governors. All along, nobody carried the blame. In yet another Mafia House scandal, foreign companies were hired to lease medical equipment to counties, where taxpayers lost more than 15 billion Kenya shillings. Most of these equipment lay idle in county hospitals, with counties still paying for the leases. Last year, the Auditor General unmasked another 10.9 billion Kenya shillings scandal, amount that could not be accounted for the financial year. As at now, the Health CS is grappling with corruption allegations in the docket he is leading, with a key agency under his ministry, KEMSA, accused of misappropriation and theft of funds meant to boost the COVID-19 war. As the taxpayer continues to feel the heat of corruption, officials at the Ministry of Health are ignominiously munching on taxpayers' money and running scot-free. Mwangi Maina, TV 47, Nairobi.